Open your phone browser. Type www.gmail.com from the top and search. From the Open tab, click on the option to use another account. Scroll down and click Create Account. Two options will appear that have no difference. Click for My Personal Use. Enter the first and last name in the opposite box. Enter the year, month, day and gender in Gregorian only. If you don't want the suggested males, enter them manually. If you don't want the suggested males, enter them manually. Write a strong password, at least HD characters of Latin letters and numbers. Repeat the password in the opposite box. Write your contact and number in the box opposite. Enter the code sent in this box. Enter the recovery email address. After writing Gmail, click Next. After writing Gmail, click Next. Drag the page down a little and click I agree, and that's it. Dear friends, today's training is over. I am happy to subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you.